Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. We'll start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, come be with us today. Fill our hearts with joy, fill our minds with learning, fill our online class with peace, fill our lessons with fun, fill our school family with love. Amen. Hello children. So today we are going to start the with subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. So last class we studied how to count forward using number line and subtract using expanded method, and we saw subtraction without regrouping. So number, can see the textbook, right? Yes. Yes, quick subtraction we saw using forward counting using a number line. So we are going to count forward. So here 27 from 45. So you will start with 27 and end with 45. So in between, how many numbers are there? You will just simply count. So 27 to 30, how many numbers? 3 numbers. 30 to 40, how many numbers? 10 numbers. And 40 to 45, how many numbers? 5. So you will add 3 plus 10 plus 5, that is 18. So 45 minus 27 is 18. This is how you will do forward counting, okay, to find the difference between two numbers, okay. And next is by expanding the smaller number. Here we are going to subtract 24 from 45. So here 45 is the bigger number and 24 is the smaller number. So we are going to expand the smaller number. How will you expand? This 24 will become 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4. So what you are going to do? First 45 minus 20 is 25, and next 25 minus this 4 is 21. So the answer for 45 minus 24 is 21. This is how you will do subtraction using expanding the smaller number, okay. Then we saw few subtraction sums also without regrouping. Today we are going to see subtraction with regrouping. Regrouping means we are going to borrow the number, okay. Yes, we'll do now. See, find the difference of 336 and 117. Okay, so this is how many digit number? 3 digit. 1 2 3, that is ones, tens, hundred. 3 digit number. First we shall write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds. So here, which is a larger number? This is the larger number, so you are going to write the larger number on the top, okay. 6 ones, 3 tens, 3 hundreds, okay. And after that 117, that is 7 ones, 1 tens and 1 hundred. So now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Yes, shall we subtract now? Yes. Here 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. 6 is small number, 7 is big number. So we cannot subtract small number from big number, okay. So we are going to borrow. We are going to regroup. What we are going to do? We are going to borrow from the tens place. The tens place, what number is there? 3. What number is there? 3. Now this 3 will become, what will become? It will become the previous number, before number. What is the before number of 3? It is 2. Before number of 3 is 2. And the 6 will become 16. The 6 will become 16. You have to add 1 to the number before, okay. So if you add 1 before the 6, it will become 16. Now what is 16 minus 7? 16 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that is 9, okay. So here 9 will be there, okay. Now here 2 is there, 1 is there. 2 is the big number, 1 is the small number. So we can subtract as such. What is 2 minus 1? It is 1. Here 3 minus 1, it is 2. So the answer will be 219. 219. Okay. So one more sum we shall do so that you can able to understand. Okay. Find the difference of 772 and 456. Here this is a 3-digit number, that is ones, tens, 100. Okay, so now first we'll write the place values, ones, tens, 100. Okay, now we are going to write the numbers. First we'll take the big number, that is 2 ones, 700, again 7 tens and again 700. Okay, the next number will be 6 ones, 5 tens, 400. Now we are going to subtract. Okay, so if we subtract, see here 2 is the smaller number, 6 is a bigger number, so we cannot subtract. Every time big number should be on the top, small number should be on the bottom. Here small number is on the top, so we cannot subtract. So what we have to do? We are going to regroup it. What we are going to do? We are going to regroup. Okay, so we are going to regroup with the tens place. We are going to regroup with the tens place. So what number is there in the tens place? 7 is there. So the 7 will become a previous number, before number. What is the before number of 7? It is 6. This will be 6. Okay. Then what will happen to this 2? It will become, we are going to add 1 to the before. So it will become 12. It will become 12. Now we are going to subtract. Now 12 is a big number, 6 is a smaller number. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 6 minus 5 is 1 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer will be 316. 316. This is how you will do the subtraction with regrouping. We are regrouping only in the tens place. We are regrouping only in the ones place. Only ones place we are going to regroup. Okay. Yes. Now regrouping hundreds. Regrouping hundreds. Okay. See, subtract 181 from 455. Here, which is the bigger number? This is the bigger number. So how many digits are there? Ones, tens, hundreds. So we'll write the place value, ones, tens, 100. Okay, now we are going to write the number. Always big number on the top. So which is a big number? 455 is a bigger number. So 5 ones, 5 tens and 400. Okay, now the next number is 1 ones, 8 tens and 800. Okay, 100. So now we are going to subtract. Yes. What is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Can we able to subtract? Here no, we cannot subtract because here this is a small number, this is a big number. We cannot subtract small number with big number. Only big number should come on the top. So what we are going to do? We are going to regroup with the 100. What we are hundreds place. Okay. Yes, this 4 will become the before number. What is the before number for 4? It is 3. This 4 will become 3 and this 5 will become 15. What it will become? It will become 15. Okay. So what is 15 minus 8? It is, what is 15 minus 8? It is 7. Okay. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer will be 274. This is how you will subtract using regrouping in the with the hundreds place. Okay, now we are going to see one more example, that is subtract 262 from 657. So here ones, tens, hundred, we are going to write the place value ones, tens, hundred. Okay, yes, now we are going to write the digits, always the bigger number on the top. So this is the bigger number, so it is 7 ones, 5 tens, 6 hundreds. The next number is 2 ones, 6 tens, 200. Now we are going to subtract. We are going to subtract. What is 7 minus 2? It is 5. Okay, 5 minus 6 can we able to do? 5 is small number, 6 is large number, big number. So we cannot do the subtraction. What we are going to do? We are going to regroup with the hundreds place. What is in hundreds place? The number is 6. What will this is 6 will become the before number. What is the before number of 6? It is 5. Okay, now this will become 15. Okay, now what you are going to do? 15 minus 6. So what is the difference? After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the number? 9. What is the number? 9. What is 5 minus 2 is 3. The answer will be 395. Okay, this is how you will do the subtraction using regrouping with hundreds. Okay, now here see this regrouping twice. Regrouping twice. We are going to subtract using regrouping 2 times. Okay, yes, see, we'll write the place value ones, tens, hundred. Write the numbers 1, 4, 3 and 3, 6, 1. See, writing the numbers in the correct place value is very important. If you miss, the sum will be wrong only. Okay, yes, now we are going to subtract small number, big number. So what we are going to do? We cannot subtract, so we are going to regroup. So this will become the previous number, before number, that is 3, and this 1 will become 11. Okay, so after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 8. Okay, yes, now yes, see, 3 minus 6, again we cannot subtract, so again we are going to regroup. This will become the previous number, that is 2. This 3 will become 13. This 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 6 is what? 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay, now 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, and this is the answer. Here we have regrouped 2 times. In the tens place also we are regrouped, here also we regrouped. Okay, 2 times we did, so it is regrouping twice. Okay, next sum. That is ones, tens, hundred. We'll write the bigger number 5, 2, 7, then 7, 5, 4. We are going to subtract. Okay, 5 minus 7 can we able to do? No. What we are going to do? We are going to regroup it. So this will become the before number, that is 1. This 5 will become 15. Okay, so what is 15 minus 7? It is 8. Okay, then 1 minus 5 can you able to do? No, we cannot do. This is small one, this is large one. So we have to regroup again. So this will become the previous number, that is 6, and you have to add 1 to this. This 1 will become 11. Okay, now what is 11? Minus 5, it is 6. Okay, and 6 minus 4 is 2. This is how you will regroup a number and do the subtraction. Okay, I think you would have understood this. Keep practicing. So one more sum, we are going to use 0 with subtraction. Okay, subtract 205 from 700. 205 from 700, that is ones, tens, 100, 0, 0, 7. So 700 is a larger number. Then the small number is 5, 0, 2. Now we are going to subtract. Okay, yes. So here 0 is there, here 5 is there. Small number, large number. So we cannot subtract, right? So we have to regroup with the number tens place. See here in the tens place what is there? Here also 0. Can we able to regroup with this number? No, we cannot regroup. So we are going to go to the hundreds place. Here 7 is there. Now we are going to regroup. The 7 will become what number? The previous number, that is 6. Okay, this 0 will become 10. The 0 will become 10. Okay, now again this number should be regrouped. Okay, this 10, now it will become 9, and this 0 will become 10. What is 10 minus 5? That is 5. Here 9 minus 0 is there. So 9 will come as such, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 495. This is subtracting using zeros with zeros. So if there is 0, what we will do? We have to borrow, that is regroup with the next place value, and we are going to subtract. Okay children, I think you have understood. Please practice the exercise sums. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye.